super popular right now as a material for patios, for driveways, and even just for the apron leading into a driveway as kind of an accent material. Now, I've done videos in the past about the issues that I have with concrete pavers, and you can see that here. You can see the aggregate that's exposed here after time. But what I would like to suggest is an alternative. There's actually a brick paver that's available. It is not made of concrete, it's made of clay, and so it doesn't have the aggregate running through it the way that the traditional concrete paver does. So I'm offering it as an alternative if it's something that you're looking for to do at your own home. Now keep in mind, when you talk to a contractor or a designer about using this material, a lot of times if you say I want pavers or I want a brick paver, this one may come to their mind immediately, even though it's made of concrete and not what we would traditionally think of as brick. And that's because a lot of these come in a brick shape, and so a lot of people use that as, you know, concrete paver in a brick shape, and that's not necessarily what you want, and it's not what I would specify. When I say brick paver, I mean the actual brick material. So this is a brick paver. You've probably seen ones that are made for building homes with. A lot of times they'll have 3 holes in them, or they'll have worn sides. There's a lot of different styles available, but there are bricks that are specifically made for outdoor surfaces and hardscapes, patios, driveways, things like that. And that's what I'm holding right here. We're using it to border a driveway for a project. There's also thinner bricks that they'll use for more of a veneer look if you're doing an outdoor fireplace. So there's options available that are different than this. Don't let your landscaper tell you that concrete pavers are the only things available. There are options, and I want you to utilize them.